Hello, friends! Today, we are going on a sea adventure! Look, I have some sea animal toys. Let's learn their names and the fun fact about each one. Shark! Sharks have super sharp teeth, and when one falls out, a new one grows right away. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are called sea canaries because they make lots of funny sounds. Whistles, clicks, and chirps. Clownfish. Clownfish are bright orange with white stripes, just like the famous Nemo. Dolphin. Dolphins talk to each other by making funny squeaks and clicks. Giant squid. A giant squid has the biggest eyes in the ocean, like the size of a soccer ball. Jellyfish. Jellyfish don't have a brain, bones, or heart, but they can still swim. A sea turtle. Turtles can live to be over 100 years old. Whale? The blue whale is the biggest animal on Earth, even bigger than any dinosaur. Seal. Seals clap their flippers and wiggle on land, but they swim super fast in water. Wow, that was so much fun learning about our sea animal friends. Did you like the shark, the dolphin, or maybe the giant